Here's a formula for an ellipse where h and k are going to be the center of the ellipse, and b and a are the major and minor axes. And I'll show you what an ellipse is because not a lot of people have a knowledge of what ellipses actually are. So that's what it looks like. You get this kind of oval shape. But notice, so the center is going to be at 2, -3, because going back to the formula, we've got negatives here, so you want to change the sign. So your x is going to be, for this ellipse, is at 2, and your y is going to be at -3, and we can look here at Desmos and see that that's the case. And notice the major axis is 100, and the minor axis is 4. Out, very critical part of the equation of an ellipse is that the major and minor axes are squared. So coming back here, so we can make sense of this ellipse, here's the major axis. We've got 16. That means it's going to be 4 units from HK, or the center of the ellipse. The distance, I mean, from the center to the outside of the major axis. So 1, 2, 3, 4. The square root of 16 is 4, and we are 4 units away. The square root of 4 is 2, and that's the minor axis from the center, which is HK, 1, 2. So if I want to make the major axis longer, I can make it 25, and we are indeed 5 units from the very center. And let's say I want to make, sorry, I said minor axis, I meant major. And now we're talking about the minor axis. Let's say I want to make it really thin from HK, we're just 1 unit away.